Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Let's have some fun drawing a forklift today. Grab your tools and let's get started. Start by drawing the overhead guard and a small lamp on the side.
Wow!
Add the tilt cylinder below it. Draw the frame of the forklift. Sketch the operator cab and the steering wheel.
Yay!
Draw the two wheels at the bottom. Finish by adding the load backrest and the forks in front.
Oh yeah.
Now it's time to color. Color the overhead guard blue.
Wow!
The forks and lamp should be red. The engine compartment is also red. Color the steering wheel yellow at the bottom and red at the top. The frame should be orange. Finish the coloring by making the wheels maroon. And that's it. The forklift is ready. Hope you enjoyed this. Finally, I coloring the wheel rims yellow. Lastly, I used black marker to highlight this drawing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.